Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying firmware and app updates so timing is accurate. This reduces drift and odd errors. Next, mount Dragy or your phone where the antenna sees open sky. Windshield or roof works best because satellites need line of sight. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location permissions on your phone and pair the device. This links sensors and ensures data streams. Start the app and pick your vehicle profile so vehicle weight and drivetrain are applied correctly. Now configure the app. Choose the test mode you need, 0-60, quarter mile, or a custom distance, so Dragy applies the right calculation. Make sure GPS sample rate is high enough for performance runs and decide whether to use auto start or manual trigger. Each affects reaction timing. You should drive a short warm-up lap to get a solid GPS lock and consistent speed readings. When you're lined up, accelerate smoothly and let the app record without tapping the screen. After the run, save and tag the results so you can compare later. You'll want to track 60-foot, trap speed, and elapsed times to see progress. Once saved, review graphical traces and split data to diagnose traction or shift issues. This is how you learn why times change. If numbers look off, relock GPS by sitting stationary until satellites are steady, recheck the mount orientation, and recalibrate if needed. These steps fix most data anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.